light on his face. 3 dogs at his side.
Almost got up the hill.
No gold in his pockets. Just a heart that believes. Living like Jesus. Planting hope where
Oh! Why is the water blue? We shouldn't drink that. Come on. Let's get out of that. That might sidekick. Sidekick. Hey. Come on, push.
every soul will be heard. No church walls can bind him. No chains on his feet. He's a pilgrim of mercy on the law.
Right. Take a pit stop. Go.
But a brother with a hand, teaching love is the gospel. Kindness is the plan. Every
Bear boot.
promise, every tear is redeemed. He walks the way of Jesus, chasing heaven's dreams.
There we go. Good boy. Good boy.
Carrying the word through the cities and the valleys. Every soul will be heard.
I'm loving it. Loving this freedom.
No chains on his feet.
Loving nature.
He's a pilgrim.
We going to them trees. Well.
Loneliest streets, and the dogs run beside him like angels with fur.
Maybe my sign is busted. Wondering if people can read around here. I mean, going by that standard though, not a lot of people can read at all anywhere I go. See this bike? This is my cross. I forgive you, Elise, Becker. I forgive you, people of Viroqua. You didn't know it. And I forgive myself. I forgive myself because I didn't know it either. And that's how I do it. That's how I do it. I raise my vibe. People want to know how you get up them giant hills.
Feels like Louis.
And the dogs run beside him like angels.
What Bob doesn't know is what I needed more was somebody to talk to. Really helped me.